which of these statements about quadrilaterals would be true of one whose angles are in the ratios 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 going clockwise around the quadrilateral? Well, 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 30, and 360 divided by 30 is 12. So each part of this ratio is equal to 12 degrees, and I can multiply the 6, 7, 8, and 9 by 12 to get the number of degrees of each of the angles. 72 degrees, 84 degrees, 96 degrees, and 108 degrees. We can see immediately that it is not going to be right angles because there are no 90-degree angles there. We can also rule out it being a cyclic quadrilateral, because in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles have to sum to 180 degrees. Now, there are pairs that sum to 180 degrees here, but we're told that they are going clockwise around the shape. So it would have to be the 72 and the 96 and the 84 and the 108, which add to 180 to make this work. They don't, so it is not cyclic. Is it a kite? Well, a kite, if you think about it, has to have two equal angles. There's no pair of equal angles in this shape, and so it can't be a kite. And similarly for a parallelogram has two pairs of equal angles, and so it's certainly not a parallelogram because we don't have any equal angles. We're left with it being a trapezium then as the only option, and you can check it really does work here. If you draw a trapezium like this and label the angles, then we have the two parallel lines in the trapezium top and bottom here, and that means that those co-interior angles have to sum to 180. So we've got 72 and 108 adding to 180, and 84 and 96 adding to 180. They're the angles next to each other, and so they are exactly what we need for it to be a trapezium.